Beauty channel. Hello my friends, how about you today? What's in your garden? Today, we'll take you to a garden full of vegetables and fruits, with chirping birds and clucking chickens.
In my garden, green and bright, veggies grow in the morning light. Mushrooms, corn, and cabbage too. Chickens cluck with a cheerful crew. Oh, my garden full of cheer, fresh and green, it's always near. Water, sun, and love each day, make it bloom in every way. Peppers red and cucumbers long, butterflies dance to nature's song. Under the trees the flowers bloom, spreading joy, their sweet perfume. Oh, my garden full of cheer, fresh and green, it's always near. Water, sun, and love each day, make it bloom in every way. I plant the seeds with tender care, watch them grow with love to share. A little sun, a little rain, makes my garden bright again. In my garden life is sweet, veggies and chicken, such a treat. It's my favorite place to